Bro, I have a question for you. Do you think it's extremely easy to sell water to someone who's dying of thirst and is in the middle of the Sahara Desert and he's genuinely looking for someone who can fulfill his thirst? What do you think? Is that easy? Or you just trying to sell water to someone who just had like 5 liters of water back to back, literally like 5 minutes before meeting you? If you're having any difficulties or trouble selling your services to people, have you ever wondered that it could be due to the fact that you're trying to sell it to people who don't really want your service and they're not actively looking for it? Now just try to think, what if there was a way of figuring out people who are looking for exactly what you had to offer and they've shown public interest in it, like they've said it, okay bro, like this is the shit which I want, which is exactly what you offer. Don't you think so? Like converting these people into customers will be 1,000 times easier, faster, and better than trying to convince a random stranger to work for you? I definitely think so. So this is the fastest way to get clients dying to buy what you sell, like literally dying to buy. Because if someone goes publicly and tells the world, this is the shit which I want, he really freaking wants it. And we're going to be doing this using X, Twitter. This is very affordable, almost free. You can do it for free as well. But yeah, like a couple of dollars in cost might be associated, but you can do it for free as well. The entire aim for the system of ours, like whatever we're trying to accomplish, the entire aim we have, we need to identify people who are actively looking for what you sell. So it could be anything, like you sell web design, video editing, copywriting, whatever it is. We need to find people who are exactly looking for that. So that sales become effortless. So it's just a simple two-step process. Figure out the people who want what we have to sell, and once we have figured that out, reach out to all these people on complete automation, because I know you hate absolutely sitting there writing out manual DMs, and we do this for free. Now you might be wondering, Somil, what exactly is the step-by-step process? And I got you covered, like literally everything you can think of. We have it sorted. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to Twitter, X, just click on this button and you will open up Twitter. And if you don't have like an account, like this is what it'll look like if you don't have an account. Just simply create an account. Like either sign up using Google or sign in and create a account on X. Yeah, that's the main thing. Like you live under a rock if you don't have an account. Yeah. After that, you need to get your account verified with a blue tick. So for example, if you go over here, like I already have this, but if you go over my profile, you see this blue tick, this thing, you need this, and you don't need to be a celebrity. You don't need like hundreds and thousands of followers to get it on Twitter. Elon just asks you for $8 a month in return. $8 a month is like literally nothing, bro. Like, what are you going to do? It's like 2 cups of coffee. Don't just freaking waste it somewhere. Like, just save $8 a month, man. Like, something is genuinely wrong with your life if you have issues investing this into your business. Yeah, it's absolutely worth it because this allows you to send like 450 DMs a day. Like that is almost what, 12,000, 14,000 DMs a month. Like you have to pay just $8 a month for like 14, 15,000 DMs a month. I think that's pretty dope. Like this is just me asking Grok, the AI on Twitter, how much is the X premium subscription, and you got a lot of cool stuff like AI everything as well. And I don't have like an affiliate link, just get your account verified. This entire process, I just stuttered over my words, man. This entire process can work without a verified account as well. If you're dead broke, you're living on the street, whatever, this process might work for you. But the thing is, by default, Twitter has a setting where, like, you can change it by the way, but by default, like, most people never change their default settings. By default, people who do not have a verified account, they cannot message people, like people who don't follow them. So, like, let's say both me and you, we follow each other. I can, like, send you a DM, even if you don't have, like, even if I don't have a verified account, I can send you a DM. And if you just follow me and I don't follow you back, I can still send you a DM. But if we both don't follow each other and I don't have a verified account, I cannot send you a DM message. I can if you change your settings. But do you think like most people are going to their account and actively searching for and looking for a setting where they allow everyone to DM them? So most people do not accept DMs from random people who don't have their account verified because it's the default setting on Twitter. So reaching out to people might be a bit of a hassle, and also you're just treated like a peasant. Like If someone tries to sell me something, I'll be like, bro, you cannot even afford like $8 a month for a verification, whatever. Who are you to trying to like sell me your services, whatever, bro? Like, I'll think this person is clearly struggling. He's like a freaking peasant. He does not have like $8 a month to get like a blue tick. It's literally like the bare minimum nowadays. So just get it, man. Like, not the end of the world. Like, just figure out a place where you're wasting money and take the money from there and put it into this. It will pay off dividends. Once you've done that, like once you're there on Twitter and you've gotten it verified, and this takes like 1 to 2 days maximum, you just need to upload like a picture of a government ID, like your driving license, income tax department certificate, anything works. Yeah. After that, you need to click on the search button on Twitter, this thing over here, which is known as Explore, to search for people hiring for a services. Pretty simple. So I asked you to open Twitter in step number 1. After that, you see this Explore button over here. You simply need to click on this. I know it's not very difficult, very simple process, right? After that, you need to search for exactly this hiring, and you have to actually replace your service with the actual service you offer. So just copy this, and now we need to change the your service part. So we need to like add what people must be hiring for. Like, I'll just give you some examples. Let's say you sell video editing. What would a person who is looking for video editors or video editing, what would he write? He would write hiring video editors. So your service needs to be replaced with the exact thing the person who is looking for your service would write. Let's say there's someone who is looking for a website and you sell websites. You're going to replace your service with web developer. Because let's say I am trying to sell websites to people. I need to figure out people who want web developers, because those are the people who build out like websites and stuff. So I'll just write hiring web developers. Yeah. And now all these people, like these are people who are literally hiring for web developers. They want a web developer to design and develop the website. So now it makes sense, right? Like, you just have to replace this, like your service part, with the exact service which you're selling. If I was selling copywriting, I would write hiring copywriter. If, like, just think, what would a person who is like looking to hire you and he has created like a banner or a post on Twitter, what would he write? Like, if I wanted video editors, I'll write hiring video editors. If I wanted sales reps, I'll write hiring sales reps. If I wanted someone who is like a social media marketer or a social media manager, I'll write hiring social media managers, because that is what I'm looking for. So you just simply replace this with the exact service you're selling. And if you need help with this, bro, like something is genuinely wrong with you, just ask ChatGPT. Like, I don't even know if you cannot think what people who want your service, what they would be writing. You probably don't understand your niche. Let's say, like, I offer a lead generation as a service. So I'll just write hiring appointment setter. Because people who are hiring appointment setters, they want more appointments. So this guy is looking for 200 appointment setters. This guy is looking for like, no, this is actually not. Like, some posts will be hit and miss. So yeah, actually now, you know what? This is the part where we actually filter it out, everything. So yeah, you need to do this and just click on latest when results appear. So you just like search for hiring, insert your service, and you replace your service with the exact service you're offering. So for example, like let's say I was hiring appointment, like I was trying to target people who wanted help with appointment setting and they wanted more appointments and sales and clients, customers, whatever. I just search for appointment setter because they are actively looking for that. Once the results appear, all these results, you need to click. Like, you might see this post is like Feb 10, this might be a bit old. This is a post from 2022 and he might not be looking for it now. So what you need to do after you've done that, you need to click on the latest button as shown over here. So after that, there's this button called latest. Just simply click on this. Again, not very difficult. Yes. After that, you need to click on the 3 dots next to the search box. Once you've clicked on latest, there are these 3 dots next to the search bar and you simply need to click on this. And after that, you need to click on advanced search. Now we're going to filter this out even more. Pretty simple. 3 dots, click on advanced search. Yep. After that, you literally copy exactly what you pasted in the search bar. and just paste it. Like I just copy, like I need to copy what I wrote over here. Like, why am I stuttering over this simple shit? Like, yeah, you just simply copy exactly what you wrote over here, hiring, appointment, setter, whatever you wrote in the search bar. And over here, where it says all these words in the first column, you simply just write it like hiring, appointment, setter. Exactly what you copied in the search bar. And now we're only going to be seeing posts which include these words in them. And after that, you simply click on search. Again, not really complicated. Yep. After that, you click on search. Now we actually have to scrape this data. And for that, there's a free Chrome extension available, which is known as Instant Data Scraper. So just simply download it. Like just click on this link and you'll be taken to the Chrome web store and you can download it. I'll just show you what it looks like, how you do it if you don't have it installed. Like, yeah, if you don't have the extension, this is what it will look like once you click on the link in the post over here. And after that, you just click on add to Chrome and click on add extension over here. Once again, not very difficult, pretty simple. Like, if you have issues following this, I don't know what to say. Yeah. So now we're going to be using this to scrape the profiles and reach out to them for absolutely free. And we're going to be automating this entire process. So 100% automated. Yeah. Now what you need to do, all these results are here. Open up the page on Twitter where we have applied all the filters, everything, advanced search filters. And after that, click on this thing, like the shortcut for opening up all the extensions, and click on Instant Data Scraper. I'll move my face over here. Yeah, just click on Instant Data Scraper over here. Simply just click on it. And now it will open up. Why? I literally just did it in the morning. Huh? This shit was working like 10 minutes ago. Yeah, it's working. For some reason, it gave me an error and I got shit scared, man. Like, did Twitter ban it or something? Yeah. So now you see this yellow thing, which is basically Insta Data Scraper telling you that we can scrape this. Now, this is what you need to do. After you clicked on the extension, a page like this will open up, which is known as Instant Data Scraper. Yeah. So once you've done that, you need to ensure that infinite scroll is ticked. There's going to be this button called infinite scroll, if you can see, and you need to ensure like the tick mark next to it has been ticked. Yeah, that's pretty freaking important. Yeah, as you can see right now it's not clicked, so I need to just click on the tick button and ensure infinite scroll is enabled, because what it will do is it will just keep on scrolling and extract all the people who have created a post saying that they are hiring for appointment setter. Yeah. Perfect. After that, you need to add a minimum delay of 30 seconds to 60 seconds. Like, what do you mean, Somil? So over here, you can see like minimum delay, you can see like maximum delay. The less the delay it has between this, the faster you scrape. But then the chances of errors, everything, it increases as well. So if you have like a 1 to 20 second delay, it just goes boom, 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 boom. So yeah, you can play around with different delays. Like, it's not a rule of thumb. I'll just put like 20 to 20 seconds to see how it goes. And if we're facing errors, you just increase the delay. So if you want to play it extremely safe, like add 30, like minimum 30 seconds, maximum 60 seconds. If you want to play it even safer, like your account or something, like it won't get banned. It's just like you might run into some issues. I'll show you what it looks like live, because I know I'll probably run into issues with a very short delay. So I'll suggest you to have minimum delay to like 30 and maximum delay to 60. But I wanted to demonstrate it to you guys, and I know you don't have a lot of patience, so that's why I'm keeping it a bit less. And after that, you simply click on start crawling. Literally nothing. Like, just click on start crawling, and if you open Twitter, you can see that it'll literally just go over all the data and it'll start scraping. It just scraped right now. You can see it literally like went down as well. And now I'll just wait for a couple of seconds so that you can see, like, yeah, it just scraped more profiles, and you can see the data being scraped in live time. You can see like this is the profile and the username of the person, the link of the post, when did they create the post, and it'll just keep on going. Now, one very common error which is there, like, yeah, you just simply let it run in the background and let the scraper do the magic. If you get this common error, like this is a very common error which you might get, like you might see after a while it says table not change. If the last page was not reached, try to increase scroll delay. And crawling stop, please download data or continue crawling. Like, this is a very common error, and whenever you get it, you don't have to worry about it at all. I'm probably waiting for me to get the error so that I can like literally show you right now how you navigate it. If you have a lot of delay, like 60 seconds to 90 seconds, it probably won't appear. But all you need to do whenever you get this delay is number one, increase the minimum and maximum delay. So, like, let's say I have a minimum delay of 30 seconds and maximum delay of 60 seconds. Just increase it to like 60 minimum and maximum to 90. Just keep on increasing the delay and it should work. And after you increase the delay, just click on start crawling. Otherwise, if you don't want to increase the delay or something, just click on start crawling. It will scrape for a while. Then you'll get this error again. And just click on start crawling. I mean, it's free, man. Like, yeah. So I got this error. Exactly what I was looking for. So yeah, if I want to get rid of it, I'll just increase the delay. So I'll add 20 to 30 seconds. And I'll just click on like start crawling again. And now it'll start scraping on Twitter. As you can see, like it literally just refreshed. The reason you get this error is when Insta Data Scraper, it scrolls down extremely fast. Sometimes the posts might not load fast enough. And then it has no data to scrape. And that's why you get the error, like in case you're wondering. And yeah. So, yes, you can see it's being scraped live in front of your eyes. That's how you use Instant Data Scraper to like have the list of all the profiles which eventually gonna be reaching out to. So you have to do this till the time you get enough profiles to reach out to. I'll say minimum you should have like 50 to 500 profiles, because if you have less than that, like, what are you even doing, man? Like, yeah, have at least like 50 to 500 profiles. And after that, you just simply click on copy all and paste the data in a Google Sheet. Like, just go over to Google Sheet and click on like blank spreadsheet, click on the plus button. And from here, I'll just show you what you can do. I'll just leave it running in the background. Yeah, I mean, I've gotten a couple of profiles. I'll just let it run too. Yeah, and over here, you can see this button called copy all. Just simply click on this. After that, come over to the Google Sheet, which you just created, and click over here and just simply like paste it. Command V, Control V if you're on Windows. And yeah, now you have all the data which was scraped. Yep, pretty good. Once you've done that, you need to find the columns which contains all the usernames and rename it as username. Like you might see like all these columns, they're kind of like weird, like they have these weird random ass names. But if you see, this is the column which contains the list of all the usernames. Like you can see, @Lawrence King Vio, like all these people, basically the username of these people, it's over here. And if you want to see, like if it's true, just open up a random profile from here and click on their profile. And this is their username. And just see if this thing matches exactly the stuff you see in the column, which you think might be the username. Yeah, just find the column with all the usernames and click on the first row, double click it and delete everything and just name it as username. Not very difficult, not very complicated, so that when we use the software to send out messages to these people, it actually knows, okay, like these are the people I'm supposed to message and everything. Once you've done that, I would suggest, like, this is not required, this is not necessary. I'll suggest you to delete all the other columns. Like, this is what the sheet should look like. This is what I like my sheets to look like with just the username. Like, delete all the other columns so that it's very simple to navigate and you do not make any errors. So yeah, just what you need to do. So I'll just remove these 3 columns because this is not the username. Just like drag your mouse pointer over this, right click and click on delete columns. And after that, all the other columns to the right as well, I'll just drag it out and I've selected all of them. Right click, I'll just select them again. Right click and like delete columns, all these which are selected. And now we only have a spreadsheet which contains like the usernames of the people. I just call it appointment setter hiring. Just give it a name which you'll remember and go to file, click on download and click on CSV and just download the file. which we can now use in the software to reach out to these people on automation. Once again, not very complicated. If I wanted to send out DMs on autopilot for free, there's a software called XReacher, which is the best one. There are some others as well, like Drippy, but I absolutely hate it because they just charge my freaking credit card without even me giving them the permission to. And once I paid, I was not even able to use the software. So yeah, I don't know. Like some people like it, I absolutely hate it. And XReacher is free because they let you use it for free as well. And Drippy AI just has a free trial after which they charge your card without your permission, and they do not allow you to even fucking send the messages. So I absolutely hate those people. Yeah, XReacher is great. XReacher for the win, at least for me. Yeah, just sign up for an account over here for free. Like if you don't have an account, like this is what it looks like. Just click on like sign up, and yeah, just enter your name, last name, email, password, or just continue with Google. Not very complicated, and you can start sending 50 DMs a day for free. Yeah, it's generally pretty dope. And you can see like it's my freaking affiliate link. And I'll tell you why you should use my affiliate link. Like you can sign up for this without my affiliate link as well. If you have an account, you can sign up for a new account using my affiliate link. I'll tell you why. Number one, it does not cost you anything extra, and I create all this content for you boys for free. So yeah, it's a nice way of showing support to me. But number two, the biggest reason, the selfish reason for you guys, which will actually benefit you, the owner of the company, Dennis, is my friend, and he has given me a coupon code for 40% off for those who sign up via my link. So you can absolutely like use this platform, like sign up using this link, and you can send like 50 DMs a day for free. And I'm in talks with the person where he might potentially allow you guys to send 250 DMs a day for free, just if you sign up with my affiliate link, but no promises in that yet. But yeah, we're in the talks for that. But this allows you to send like 50 DMs a day for free, which no other software in the world allows you to do it as of me filming this. But once you start getting results, obviously you want more money. And then you might decide that you actually want to scale the number of DMs you're sending. And like it obviously has like a paid plan as well. Like you can see the pricing, everything. Yeah, it has a paid plan where you can send like 450 DMs a day as well. You can like add more accounts, whatever. You can send up to like what 22,500 DMs a day, whatever. So yeah, it allows you like in the future, once you've made money, because you've clearly seen like a money flowing into your account for free, then you're like, bro, I want more money, so I'll invest into this. And if you ever want to send like 450 DMs a day or more, you'll get a 40% discount code if you sign up using my affiliate link. And if you don't believe me, like I'll just show you. Like if I just click on this, I click on upgrade. Yeah, you can see it's $97 a month, which is what you'll be billed if you try to buy it. And you can see like if you use a coupon code, which I have, you get 40% off. So yeah, that's a good enough reason to sign up via my affiliate link. It does not cost you anything extra. And in the future, if you decide to upgrade, like you can use it for free forever, like if you don't want to pay. But yeah, in case you do decide to pay in the future, you get like a 40% off discount. So yeah, that's why you should do it. In case you're wondering, how Somil can I get the discount code? Like this is way too good to be true, whatever. Like I also want to save like 50% or sorry, 40% of my money. Just create a post in this channel, like come to the sales and community. It's absolutely free to join in case you're watching this on YouTube. Just come to the community. There's this channel called Outbound System. Just create a new freaking post over here. Upload a video or a screenshot showing you signed up using my link and just simply tag me. Just create a post like 40% discount, XReacher, signed up using your affiliate link. Just over here, you can add an image, a screenshot, or you can add a video. You can just simply add like a Loom video or a YouTube video link as well if you don't want to upload it, or you can upload a video. And once you've done that, it is just proof that yeah, you actually like signed up using my affiliate link, because the discount code won't work if you don't do it. After that, you can simply like tag me. Like just click on @ search for Somil, and my name is Somil Yadav. Just click on this, and yeah, just like click on publish post, and I'll send you the link in the DMs. Like over here in the community, we have a chat section I can send like DMs to you. So yeah, you'll receive the code in the DMs once you like do if you want to ever upgrade. So yeah, now I'm assuming you've signed up to XReacher, created like a free account. I'll just actually open it up as well. This is like the affiliate link in case you're wondering. You simply click on this. Yeah. Once you've done that, I'm assuming you've logged in. So yeah, I just come over to the dashboard. This is what it looks like once you have successfully logged in to the platform. Once you've done that, simply come over here and click on create campaign. Like under campaigns, you have this button called create a campaign. Just simply click on it, not very complicated. Right now, it might look a bit different. You might not have all of this stuff because you've not ever used the platform before. Yeah, you simply come over here, click on create campaign, give it a name and click on add leads. So over here, like campaign 7, this is the name of the campaign. I'll just give it like any name which you can remember. Like I'll just name it appointments at hiring. I'll just give it any freaking name. Yeah, just give it a name. And yes, after that, you need to click on add leads so that we can actually add the list of all the URLs of all the usernames which we scrape, which we're actually looking to hire appointment setters. So just click on add leads over here. And now you will be on this page where it says upload your leads. Just click on this button, upload your leads. After that, bring your mouse pointer over this place and just simply click on it. Now you can upload the CSV file which we downloaded earlier from Google Sheets. If you remember, just double click on it and you can see. Now you have to select the column which like it just says like select the column for username. That's why I say only include like one column in your spreadsheet so that you don't make a mistake. Just click on this and we named it username in the Google Sheet before. So yeah, just simply click on this. After that, you can click on upload leads. Not very complicated. And yeah, I just actually like just added these leads earlier as well. So I cannot add more because this is like a free demo account which I'm just using to demonstrate. But you can click on upload leads and now they'll be visible. I'll just show you what it will appear like once you've done it. Like you can just click on the upload leads button and actually I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, once you clicked on the upload leads, because I was creating the campaign to film out like this tutorial, these screenshots. Once you've uploaded the leads, you can see this is what it will look like. The name of the spreadsheet which you just uploaded, it will appear and the status of it will be scraping. So with the free account, you can add leads only once per day. So it's cool, like you can add like 50 leads a day, like unlimited, I think up to 1,000 leads a day. So yeah, every single day you can add 1,000 leads, but only one time. So yeah, I'll suggest you to have a massive spreadsheet of like 200, 300 people so that you never run into this issue of not having enough leads in the campaign again. So yeah, once you click on the upload leads button after you've done it, like once you've uploaded the leads and once you've done that, basically, you will see that this is what it would look like. It will say that the status is scraping and this would be inactive. So you need to give it like maybe 10-15 seconds to actually scrape the leads. What I do is like right now the status says scrape because I've done it earlier, but it will say like scraping for you exactly like this yellowish thingy. So yeah, once it has been like a couple of seconds have passed, like 10, 15, 20, 30 seconds, you simply click on like the refresh button and that usually solves it because it might be scraped actually and you're not receiving it. So just simply click on like Control R if you're on Windows, Command R if you're on Mac. Just simply do it and refresh it. And after that, the status of the leads which you literally just uploaded right now, it would be scraped. I was unable to add the leads because I've done it already. And one day you can add only once, like lead scrape. You can only add it once. So just refresh the page if it's taking a while. After you uploaded the CSV file, click on upload leads, wait for a while, like this is what it would look like, status is scraping. After a while, if it's still not scraped, you can just refresh it and it always fixes it. Once it is done, you have this toggle called on and off. Once it says like status has been scraped, just simply click on, like click on this toggle button, ensure it's active, and then you click on this continue to scripts button. So this is a lead list which I just added in the morning. So like just assume like this is the leads which we just scraped and now they're active. Just click on this toggle button and now it's active. Like the button below on off, it would be like this by default. Just click on it and now it's active. And now you can click on continue to create scripts. Pretty simple. After that, the script is basically where you add your messages, which we're actually going to be sending out to people. What you need to do is click on the add script button. So over here, you can see this button called add scripts. Click on this button. Now, the name of the message is just for your reference, like it does not really matter what you give it. I'll just name it one. And now here we write the actual message, which you're going to be sending out to people. So yeah, you just have to type in the message, and after that you can click on save over here, like over here. So what we do, like I've added some sample DM templates. You can literally write any message. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, and on these messages you might see like it has this field called name. This will automatically be replaced by the first name of the person who we are sending out the DMs to using AI, because the software is pretty freaking dope. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll literally just copy this message. I don't even want to think. You can have creativity, you can play around with it, you can come up with your own messages. I literally just copy it. I've added a couple of sample DMs. What I wanted to do is just to ensure like we actually use the, like this thing actually works. I wanted to remove this, like where it says name. Just select it, the name and the brackets, delete it, and click on this button called insert first name personalization. Yeah, you just simply click on it just to double check, just to double ensure that it will actually like replace the name thing with the first name of the person. So yeah, that's what you need to do. Just write your message, and whenever you want to like replace the, like whenever you want to insert the name of the person you're reaching out to in the message, you simply click on this button, and now this will automatically be replaced with the name of the person. We don't need it right now. So the message I have is pretty simple. Like let's say I'm reaching out to John. Hey John, saw your post where you mentioned you were hiring. Insert service, obviously replace it with the exact service you're selling. So if you remember, we like just replace it with this. Like this is the service which you're selling, because this is what you search for. So now when I do it, like people will write they're hiring appointment setters in the post. Just saw your post where you mentioned you were hiring appointment setters. So yeah, just replace that. If you're a video editor, right, you are hiring video editors. If you're a web developer, web developers. If you're a copywriter, write copywriters. If you're a social media manager, write social media managers. If you're a product manager, write product managers. Whatever it is, just replace it with the insert service with the exact thing you're selling, and just like be simple. Have you found what you were searching for already, or still looking? Pretty simple. Click on save. Now you can just click on continue to choose accounts, and you can get started with this already. But what you can also do is you can like test out different variations of the message and see what performs well. Like you can send multiple messages and randomly like let's say you have three people. One person will receive one message, the other one this message, the third one this message. You can do that. So I'll just simply like add a couple of messages. If you want to add more messages to test out which performs better and randomly try out like different variations and everything, again, you just simply follow the exact same process you followed. Like you simply need to repeat the steps F, G, and H again. And in case you're wondering what are these steps, click on the add script button, give it a name, type in the message, and click on save. I've also added a couple of different variations of the messages, like the different templates over here for different messages. So if you want to try out, you can use them. I'll always suggest come up with your own, because if everyone is using this exact same template, soon it will stop converting, soon it will stop performing, because people will receive the exact same messages for like 10 different people. So yeah, in order to get started in the short term, you can use it, but over a long enough period of time, I'll say like never really depend on templates or something. Click on add scripts. I'll just name it 2, and I'll just copy the second template. Yeah, so insert service, I'll replace it with the exact service they were looking for, appointment setters. And this is pretty simple. Like first name, still looking for appointment setters. Click on save. Like understand one thing, there's a concept called friction. Whenever we write a piece of outreach message, outbound message, the entire aim is to make it so easy for the person to say yes. Remove all friction. We don't want them to think, we don't want them to like think of the exact answer they should give out. Like they should be like, yeah, just a yes no question, and they can decide if it's a yes or a no. I'll just add like the third variation of the message as well. I'll just simply copy it, and yeah, I'll just click on add scripts. I'll just name it 3, and I'll just paste it over here. So your hiring person, I personally know some fire appointment setters. Is it cool if I send them your way? Like you can do this if, like what you do is like, let's say you're a video editor, you do this, and after that you can send them like your WhatsApp number, or you can be like, what's your WhatsApp number? I'll ask them to contact you on WhatsApp. So this is what you do, because now you're not pitching them anything, you're not selling anything, and you get like much more responses on this. When the person says yes, you're like, bro, like what's your WhatsApp number? Just let me know, because the person does not use his Twitter, or just make some shit up. You have to use your freaking brain. Just be like, yeah, the person does not use Twitter. What's your WhatsApp number? And once the person shares the WhatsApp number, you can simply text them on WhatsApp, and you can pretend you were not the person who DM'd them on Twitter. Just make up some other name. They don't know what you sound like, because they've just seen like words from your end. And after that, you can pitch them your services or whatever. This gets you more responses. You have to be creative. And I personally won't use it, because if I do this, then people will be expecting someone else to actually like do appointment setting for them. The main thing I want to do is I'll be like, bro, I'll install AI in your business, because AI is better for appointment setting than these random normal human beings. Yeah, I won't use the script, but this is something which will work well for you. So yeah, once you've added all the different variations of the message, like all the different scripts, you simply click on continue to choose accounts. Now I've already connected my account. I'll actually delete it and show you what it would look like for you. So right now, once you are here, you need to click on add accounts, where you basically add the account from which you'll be sending out the messages from. So just click on the add account button, and over here they say like you can buy an account. I'd say like don't buy from them. I'm actually like, I'm not supposed to say this. I'm actually working on a platform of my own called savebig.sailgen.com, where we provide you everything which you need to build the business and life of your dreams at affordable prices. So for example, like ChatGPT Plus is available at 59% off. This is like a tool for like automated Instagram outreach. We provide it to you for like 30% off compared to you buying from their original website, because a lot of the times we have like, this is $27 a month, we provide you at $18.90 a month, and all activated on your email account. So yeah, I'm actually building out this platform as time passes. Obviously it will get better, and over there we'll be able to provide you like Twitter accounts as well at affordable prices, because these people are way too expensive. Like yeah, $27 for account is not something I would personally want. So once that is ready, I'll update this post. If it's ready, shameless plug, you should buy from there, because it's just better. Yeah, but I'll always suggest, if you're starting out, you have like a free account, just connect your existing Twitter account. Not very complicated. Just click on the connect button over here, and you'll be taken to Twitter, and just log in with your username and password, like phone, email, username. So my username is this, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, just enter your Twitter username, and if you don't know what your Twitter username is, just go to Twitter, just go to your profile, and this is your username, the words after the @ sign. So this is my username. So yeah, just simply log in and enter your password. I changed it recently, so not sure if this is the correct one. I think it's the correct one. Yeah. So after that, you'll see this account is available for use. If you don't want to add your account by like giving your password or something to them, you can just click on add account. Like let's say you don't want to share your account password, just click on the connect using cookies, and actually like you can connect like one account with the plan. So I'll just remove it and show you how you can connect it without actually like without actually basically like giving the login credentials. Just click on the add account button over here and click on connect using cookies. They have like a video guide as well, which you can refer to and see. So yeah, I'll just play the video, show you what it looks like. After that, you need to add two things like auth token and CTO. So just open up Twitter where you're already logged in, and after that you click on inspect. Like just open Twitter, you should be logged in. anywhere on the blank space, like right click, and after that click on inspect over here. Now, yeah, once you've done that, you go over to network as shown in the video. And what did you do? Yeah, you go over to, like, this is way too complicated, mine is actually simpler. After that, once you clicked on inspect, you simply come over to network, and I think over here there's a search bar which you clicked on. So you actually like just drag it out a bit so that it becomes bigger, and yeah, the search bar should be a bit bigger. Is that what he did? Yeah, he just searched for cookie. So you come here, like, again, I'll just do it so that it's simple for you guys to see. Right click anywhere on a blank space, click on inspect, and after that come over to network and just make this thing bigger, like the search field, and just search for cookie. I think that's what he searched for. What did he do after that? Yeah, he clicked on cookie. This shit is way too complicated, man. Just use your freaking password. What I use? Yeah. So you just search for cookie over here and you click on enter. Is that what you're supposed to do? Yeah, I think so. This is what it did. So yeah, you just, like, I'll just do it again so that it's actually visible. Right click on Twitter where you're already logged in. Click on inspect and come over to network. After that, like, drag it out, make it bigger, and in the search field, search for cookie, press enter, and after that you come here. And now what I think, he'll ask us to copy some values and paste it. So yeah, though this is the value of the auth token which we need to copy, and after that, what do we need to copy? CTO. Yeah, makes sense. So you just come over here and you need to copy a couple of values. So it says auth token over here, and from here to the end of it, before the comma thing, whatever you call it, I'll just copy it, and over here in the auth token, I'll just paste it, and in CTO, I'll again come over here. I'll just click on this, and I'll just, no, till here. This is the part where CTO ends. After the equal to sign and before this comma, I'll just come over here and I'll just paste the CTO, and I'll click on add account. Yeah, and your account is added successfully. So a bit more complicated, just use your freaking password and email, bro. Like, no one's interested in hacking your Twitter account with 3 followers. Yeah, after that, just click on active, like click on this toggle button, make it active, and continue, and click on continue to configure options. After that, you need to select your account message limit, which will be 50 a day if you're on the free plan. If you're on the pro plan, it will allow you to send up to 450 DMs. But yeah, on the free one, this, and ensure, like, where it says like script previously DM'd, this is turned on. What this will ensure, like, if someone has already received a message from you before and it's a part of the leads we just uploaded, then they won't receive a message again. And just click on create campaign. And now you don't have to do anything. I'll actually turn it off, ensure it's active, because I did not add the right leads. So yeah, that's what you need to do. Just ensure it's active, and in the background, the DMs will start going out, and you literally have to do nothing except add leads whenever you run out of leads. So yeah, you can just do that. If you want to do it, like, just if you want to add leads in the future, click on open campaign, and when it comes to leads, just click on add leads and follow the exact same process of adding the leads. So like, let's say you added 50 profiles today and you want to reach out to 50 more people tomorrow, just add the leads. And after that, once you see the name of the lead list you just added, you just click on this button, and after that, it will also be automatically added to the campaign. So that's what you do. And yeah, that is how you reach out to people who are literally dying to buy what you sell because they've actively posted on public, this is exactly what I want. And now we reach out to them, offering us services, which will allow you to have like much higher conversion rates. And I actually covered all of this without even referring to the notes or something. So if you got any questions related to this, like if you're watching this on YouTube especially, just come over to the sales and community. It will be in the pinned comment for free. Just come over here and in the outbound system, sorry, just create a new post. Just like asking whatever you wanna ask, whatever is the thing you have questions related to, and just create a post in the channel and just tag me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Just tag me at the end of the post, like at the rate Sawmill Yadav, just tag me, bro. Freaking tag me, and I'll be happy to help you. The best thing you can do is add a Loom video which explains the problem you're facing. So just go over to loom.com, just go over here, record a quick video, click on the where's the video button, yeah, click on the add video thing and just paste the link of the Loom video, add link, and just create a post, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Yeah, hope you found value from this. Bye bye, man. Take care, have a lovely, beautiful, fantastic day ahead. Bye.